So we just made almost 500%. Today, let's make difference. Let's talk about private list today. Geojam Token, Plurge, Superfarm, Harvest Finance, Wanchain, Telcoin, Aurox. Guys, take a look at this. $179,000, 375, $30 million, $39 million, $44 million. That's how you make money, guys. You make money with coin running with high volume. Okay. Let's talk about today a swing trade. Let me show you something here. I just spoke about this coin right here, Aurox. About Aurox, I shared this trade in the private list on November 14. We bought this coin for $17.50. So far, we already made 78%. Our price target is 32. We might hit this goal sooner or later. Okay, but the thing I want you to understand is when you become a member, I'm gonna share this platform here with you. Okay, this is the platform. Because this platform I'm showing in this video, it's called TradingView. This platform costs $600 per year. But on another side, another way, I'm gonna share this platform with you. And this platform is for free. It's a secret link just for old school traders like me who knows this platform. I'm gonna share this platform with you. I'm gonna teach you every single line, what this line represents, how to set up the platform. So when you receive my email, guys, example, Aurox, like the symbol is Urus. You go right here and you go to CoinMarketCap and you choose Urus against US dollar. That's what we focus now. Okay. So when I share this trade in the private list for buy for, let me show you here. I have here my files. Boom. When I share this trade in the private list was right here, Monday, November 14. Okay. We bought it right here. I'm gonna give you the price target, buy here. I print screen my monitor and share by email to all my Trade Crypto members. So we bought it at $17.50 and our goal is 32. Okay, that's how you gotta do. All you gotta do is to follow my trade. That's no secret. Okay, what I'm trying to do is to help you out. Don't worry, I'm gonna teach you the strategy to trade swing trade. Now to trade pumps, I let the software find for me. How you find so many pumps, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pumps in 48 hours. How is possible? Because if you go to CoinMarketCap, it's impossible to you find a coin pump here. Because like take a look at this number here. 9115. Over 9,000 coins. How are you gonna find a coin to trade around 9,000? It's impossible. My software is tracking the market, focus in volume, guys. Volume is confirmation. A lot of people think the coin has more volume is Bitcoin. No, the coin has more volume is Tether US dollar. That's how you trade using USD. USD is the main coin here, no Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is just asset. USD is the money. So all you gotta do is to follow my trades. If you'd like to get those trades in real time, get your free platform, please subscribe. The reason I'm sharing my trades in the private list because together we are strong. Just think about it. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. That's clear, guys. We don't pump coins in this channel. Okay, the pump is already happened. What you do is to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. When you have the volume spike plus buyer power on your side, you know which coin is gonna pump. Okay, and like I said, the software is running 24/7, provide me trades. We just made almost 500%, 485. Feel free to reach me out. I live in South Beach, Miami. My name is Daniel, and this is my email, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Takes your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.